Hello guys. Today we are going to discuss control structures in Python. Control structures are essential programming constructs that enable us to control the flow of execution in a program. In Python, there are three main types of control structures: conditional statements, loops, control statements. Let's look at each of these in detail. Conditional statements. Conditional statements allow you to execute different pieces of code based on whether a condition is true or false. In Python, the syntax for a conditional statement is as follows. Here, the if keyword is used to start the conditional statement, followed by a condition that is tested. If the condition is true, the code under the if statement is executed. If it is false, the code under the else statement is executed. You can also use the elif keyword to test multiple conditions, like this. Here, multiple conditions are tested using elif, and the code block that corresponds to the first true condition is executed. 2. Loops. Loops allow you to execute a block of code repeatedly, either a fixed number of times or until a certain condition is met. In Python, there are two types of loops. For loop executes a block of code for each item in a sequence. The syntax for a for loop is as follows. Here, the for keyword is used to start the loop, followed by a variable that takes on each value in the sequence, and the code block that is executed for each value. While loop executes a block of code repeatedly as long as a certain condition is true. The syntax for a while loop is as follows. Here, the while keyword is used to start the loop, followed by a condition that is tested. The code block is executed as long as the condition is true. 3. Control statements. Control statements are used to control the flow of execution within a loop or conditional statement. Break immediately exits the loop, skipping any remaining iterations. Continue skips the current iteration of the loop and moves on to the next iteration. Pass does nothing and is used as a placeholder when you need to define an empty block of code. Now that you know the basics of control structures in Python, you can use them to write more complex and powerful programs. It's important to master these concepts as they are fundamental to programming in Python and in other programming languages as well.